Stop stressing over picky eaters. Try this simple homemade secret instead. This is one secret that many people may not talk about enough or nobody will tell you, but your favorite chubby nutritionist will always share simple natural ideas like this. This homemade powder can be added to help your children's meals to become more richer, more flavorful, and more nourishing. Let's dive right in. To start this homemade healthy meal booster, I am using two medium-sized onions. So first, you have to proceed to peel the onions and wash them properly. The reason why we are using onions for this powder is that it plays an important role in children's meals, especially for picky and fussy eaters. They naturally enhance the taste of food without the need for artificial seasoning, making children's meals more appealing and easier for them to accept. They also add this mild natural sweetness when processed or cooked, which can help balance the strong flavors that children often reject. This makes it easier to get toddlers to eat a wider variety of meals without resistance. Now, do you know that beyond the taste of onions, onions also contains natural nutrients that support digestion and general well-being. They help baby meals to feel more satisfying and enjoyable for growing babies. So, we are making this protein powder with these onions, bearing in mind the importance and usefulness of onions in children's food. After washing the onions, proceed to slice them into thin pieces to help them dry faster and evenly. Now, drying helps to lock in the moisture and help to lock in the nutrients in the onions. That is why we are going to dry it. So ensure that you slice it as thin as possible, especially if you don't have an external dehydrator or an oven and you want to sun dry. You want to ensure that you slice it very thinly. After slicing the onions, you want to transfer it onto a food tray and then carefully separate the onions layers one after the other instead of leaving them packed together. This step is very important because onions hold a lot of moisture and spreading them out properly will help them to dry better. Now, after separating them, arrange everything evenly on a tray and let it out to dry. The next ingredient you're looking at is locust beans, and this is not just a seasoning, it is a highly nutritious natural food booster that has been used for generations in African cooking. Locust beans contains about 35 to 40% protein. Yes, it is that high, especially in its dried form, and that makes it one of the strongest plant-based protein seasoning you can add to baby meals. Now, what does that mean for children? Protein is very important for growth, I'm sure you know. It helps to support healthy weight gain, muscle development, and overall body strength in growing children. So, when locust bean is added to meals in small controlled amount, it helps to improve the nutritional value of the food without changing the meal into something heavy or difficult for babies to eat. And it also has that rich smell that makes food instantly more appetizing. And all you need to do next is to spread it out on a tray and dry it until it is crunchy. So next up, you'll be using ginger and garlic. For this, you need about one small stick of ginger and about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic from the garlic bulb. First, you have to wash the garlic and ginger until it is completely clean. Then transfer it into a chopping board and peel off the skin of the ginger and also remove the outer skin of the garlic cloves. Then you can decide to wash them again to make sure that everything is clean if you want. Then after that, you have to chop both the ginger and the garlic into small tiny pieces so that they can dry faster and evenly. Once that is done, you transfer them into a clean tray and spread them out properly for drying. Now, here is why ginger and garlic are very important in children's meal. Ginger helps to support digestion and can gently stimulate appetite. I'm sure you know. If you don't know it now. Ginger helps to stimulate appetite very well. And it is very helpful for picky eaters who refuse food or children that eat very little meals. Garlic also adds natural flavor and helps to improve the taste of meals, making food more appealing without needing artificial seasoning. So the two ingredients are known for their natural immune supporting properties, which is important for growing children. So when you combine ginger and garlic in small amounts like this, you're not just improving the taste, you are also adding natural nutritional support to the meal. Then you can simply allow them to dry properly under the sun before using them in your final blend. Next up, you'll be needing crayfish, and here we are using half cup of crayfish. And honestly, how amazing is crayfish? This is one ingredient that brings real life to food. Like the aroma alone can make children more interested in eating. Crayfish is very rich in protein, I'm sure you know, and it helps support healthy growth, weight gain, and overall development in children. It also adds that deep natural flavor that makes meal more appealing, especially for picky eaters. Now, let me quickly share something that happened recently, right? That prompted me to even make this protein powder. A mother once reached out to me because her child was struggling with growth, with poor growth. Now, after her doctor's checkup, it was discovered that the child needed more protein in his diet, right? So she came with a request to me that she wanted a proteinous meal, a proteinous pap for her baby. You know, with pap, you can majorly infuse everything. Pap is very versatile. So I advise that she tries our crayfish and soya bean pap because crayfish is rich in protein and soya beans is also rich in protein. And it will be added to the child's pap as a daily meal. We prepared it properly blended and balanced for the child, and within just a month there was noticeable improvement in the child's development, guys. Even the doctor could see the difference and acknowledge that the child was finally getting the needed nutritional support. That is the power of simple natural ingredients like crayfish when used correctly. Now, before using it, make sure you pick it carefully because crayfish usually comes with small shells, stones, and dirt, and everything. Then also wash it and spread it out on a tray to dry. The next ingredient we are going to be adding is the Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder Plus, aka high protein powder. Guys, what is Kids Booster Powder without adding Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder? What is Kids Nutrition Mix without adding this particular powder? There is almost no meal that this kind of booster powder does not go well with. It blends into pap, it can be used in formulation of baby food, it can be used to formulate baby fortifier, and the best part is that it upgrades the nutrition without making the food complicated for children. Now, let me explain why we are adding this Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder into our booster powder. Just listen attentively. One of the major ingredients of this powder is soy, and soy is not new at all. It is something you already consume every day, even without thinking about it. Soy is used in many common products around the world. You can see it in seasoning cubes, just like in your Maggi, in your Knorr, and other similar stock and seasoning brand. It is also found in many dairy and milk products such as your baby milk, pig milk, dano milk. Go and read the ingredients. You're going to see soya lecithin, and it is widely used in almost everything you use in your kitchen. Even many infants and toddler formulas globally also use soya-based ingredient because of how rich it is in plant protein. So when you now bring this soy into your kids booster, guys, it is not something strange. It is something already trusted and widely used in your everyday food, and that is what makes your kid booster powder very powerful. Soy is very rich in plant protein. It supports healthy growth, it helps with weight gain, and it's good for steady energy for children. So when you combine it with the other ingredients in this booster powder, hey, it helps to make your children's meal more filling, more balanced, and more supportive for picky eaters and children who struggle with appetite. This is what makes this powder so effective. Oh, it is a familiar nutrition, just in a more concentrated and convenient form. 4 hours later, our onions is fully dried. You can see how crunchy and brown it is. Yes, it got dried under 4 hours, and once you are able to crack and break it, that means it is very dried, and all you need to do is to transfer it into your food bowl and ensure that it is safe and resting there. All right, please take a quick break with me. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. Your support means everything to me. And if you're new here, welcome to Chubby Babies Kitchen. Please take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. That bell is very important because it will notify you anytime I post a new video. And trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next. Now, I need you to do something for me, everybody. If you're watching this video, if you're seeing this video, please go to the comment section and type booster powder. just that booster powder, please. It helps me to know that you are here. It shows me that you are active and you are actually seeing this video, so that the video can reach more mothers who need this information. Please, all I need from you is just to like the video, subscribe, turn on your bell, and drop the booster powder in the comment section right now. Thank you. At this point now, I am sure you have seen that everything is very dried. Even our crayfish powder, the ginger and garlic are dried and crunchy. And then this is the locust bean. You can see how dried and crunchy it is. And for you to know that it is very dry, just snap it in between your finger, break it, and if it breaks, it means that it is dry. Now transfer everything into the bowl. Everything into the bowl except the Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain powder, because that is already in a powdered form, and you know it contains some level of oil, so I wouldn't want it to mix with this, else it won't grind well. Now you have to transfer all the ingredients onto your frying pan. Make sure the frying pan is neat, and then we are going to toast this on low heat. My kitchen is already bringing out this aromatic aroma. I don't even know how to put it, but the aroma is aromaing. The aroma is really sweet, guys. If you try this seasoning, even as a mother, as a parent, you'll be doing this in your house on a daily basis. The aroma is too sweet. God, it is too sweet. Now toast this for just 3 minutes until it brings out that flavor. Then transfer it into your dry meal blender, and batch by batch you're going to blend this until it turns to powder, like very powdery. If you don't have a strong blender, you can take it to the market and get it milled in the market. If you have a picky eater and you have not tried this combo, just go ahead and give it a try. Go ahead and give this a try. Give it a try one more time and thank me later. As you start blending, you want everything to come together into a fine, smooth nutrient powder. So you're going to be blending gradually, stopping once or twice to make sure everything is breaking down evenly. What you are creating here is not just a mix. It is a nutrient booster blend designed to easily mix into your baby's pap, porridge, soup, all of Maki's products and every other baby meals. And as this blends, you can already notice the aroma coming out. That rich combination of crayfish, locust beans, and the spices. This is what helps to improve appetite in picky eaters, especially for fussy and picky eaters, because the smell plays a very big role in how children respond to food. So continue blending until it becomes very fine, like very fine powder, no rough particles. So at this point now, transfer the blended booster powder into a clean bowl or plate. Mama, just look at this texture. This is so smooth and well blended. If you want, you can proceed to sieve your own, but honestly, once you have a well blended powder like this, you don't really need to sieve it. Now here is what you're going to do next. For the Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain powder that you already measured about 1 cup of the soya-based powder before, you're going to divide this booster powder into 2 parts. Then you're going to mix 1 part with the soya-based Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain powder, just like I have done. I mixed the 1 cup of weight gain powder into this booster powder, and this one is more concentrated. That's like, it is more nutrient dense. It is a nutrient dense version. Then this is the one that you're going to use for your pap, for your cereal, for your baby porridge, and everyday breakfast meal, including all Maki Healthy baby food. This one mixed with weight gain powder is what you're going to use. So all you have to do next is to get a clean jar like this and transfer the powder straight up into the jar. This will help to keep it airtight and prevent moisture from going into it, because after all of this stress that we have gone through, we don't want to ruin our productivity, right? So all you have to do is to transfer it into this airtight container and make sure that it is perfectly sealed. Now this one is a more concentrated version. Use it for your pap, for your oats, cereal, porridges, breakfast cereal, and all of that. For your baby's puree, fruit puree, vegetable puree, anything you're giving to your baby who is a picky eater, it will help to boost the appetite of your baby. It will help your baby to start eating very well. It will help to enrich and bring out the aromatic flavor of your baby's food. Now for the second one, the one that is not mixed with the Maki soya powder, All you have to do is to transfer that one directly into another airtight jar. Now this one is going to be used for your baby soup, puree, porridges, anything soup that you want to make for your baby, anything homemade, delicacies for your toddlers, for your babies, for your kids. You're going to use this one. It is just like a natural seasoning, and trust me, you don't need to add salt. It is well seasoned and very aromatic. So this one here is going to be used for anything soup, porridges for your toddlers, for your kids, and for your babies, while these concentrated ones should be added to your baby's pap, breakfast cereal, oats, porridges, fruit puree, anything you are giving to your baby. After storing in an airtight jar, let me show you exactly how to use this. Just go ahead and prepare your baby's pap. This pap is made with Maki Healthy Food banana and nut milk, and you can see how creamy it is. Now all you need to do is to scoop about 1 tablespoon of the baby booster powder that you just prepared into the pap. Just 1 tablespoon is enough, and as you mix it in, you're going to see how it blends so easily. No lumps, no stress, just a smooth enriched meal. This is exactly how you enrich your baby's pap. This is what a properly fortified meal looks like. Very simple but very nutrient rich. Now after mixing the powder in, you can go ahead and add your baby's milk or yogurt if needed, depending on how thick and creamy you want the pap to be. And just like that, your baby's meal is ready. Creamy, nutritious, and boosted with natural ingredients designed to support appetite, growth, and healthy weight gain. And that's it, chopsters. This booster powder can be used for babies from 6 months and above. Once they have started complementary feeding, you can start adding this powder. It is also suitable for toddlers, growing kids, and even adults. So whether you are preparing pap, cereal, porridge, or even soup, please use this for your picky eater or for your fussy eater. It is very protein packed and support healthy growth and development. And if your child is a great picky eater, like picky or fussy with food, this is one thing you should seriously try, because sometimes the problem is not the food, it is how the food is supported nutritionally. And this powder right here is one of those simple secrets that can make mealtime easier. Thank you so much for watching. Please, before you go, like the video, go to the comment section and type booster powder and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.